This is a full body 6.5 minute workout just for you. I would love you to do that twice through. Upper body, lower body, core, and a little bit of cardio thrown in for good measure. 30 seconds on, 10 seconds recovery. I would love you to do this workout twice through. Remember, leave a comment and tell me which workout you really enjoy. If you really enjoy this, let me know how you're feeling, how your PMA is, your positive mental attitude. Make sure you subscribe and share this fabulous total body lift lean workout with everyone that you know. Are we ready? A squat and a curtsy. So squat and curtsy. Love this move, keeping the head up, cross behind. So good leg workout all the time. So you're looking ahead, you're feeling positive, you're feeling strong and happy as we cross behind. Good, and lift. Again, all the time, keeping the head up and the chest lifted. That's good. One more. Well done. Okay. Going to put the weight to the side and a little run. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Come with me. Again, 1, 2, 3. So we're mixing up lower body with the cardio. Elbows right back. Good again. So it's just a little freeze on the end. 1, 2, 3, knee. That's it. Woo! You can do it. That's good all the time. Just keep it going for this 30 seconds. Nearly there, nearly there. Good work. Grab the weights. Now squat, shoulder press. Squat, lateral raise. Here we go. Squat, shoulder press. Squat, lateral raise. Squat, shoulder press. Foot up. Squat down. Lateral raise. Shoulder press. Again. Down. Good. Lateral raise. Squat down and shoulder press. We'll keep it going. The head is up. Down. Then lift. Last one. Back into cardio. Okay. 8 runs, 1 burpee. You've got it. 8. You can do it on the step. 6, 7, 8. Down. Up again. 1, 2, 4. 8. Down. Again. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump back. Up again. 1, 4. Woo. Let me get you. Now a lateral lunge with a shoulder press. So lateral lunge, shoulder press. These are all compound exercises. So multi-muscle. Down. And then push up. Good, keeping that back straight as you come up. Leaning forward, leaning into the glutes, and then straight back up. Last one. Good. And down. Well done. Back to your cardio. Now again on the step, your modified burpee. Wide to narrow, jump up. So it's down wide and jack. And jack. Keep that going. Wide. Nearly there. 2 more seconds. 1 more. Woo! Now we're working. Press up position. 1 arm row. Roll the weight underneath. So wide. 1 arm row. The other side. So keeping switching. Good, keeping the back straight as I lift that elbow. Good again. 10 seconds. 8 runs and touch the floor twice. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, down, lift up, run again, 1, 2, 5, lift up, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I've got sweat running down my nose. 4. Yeah. Last one. Whew. Oh. Always tough. Are you feeling it? I hope so. Okay, one weight, squat, rotation. Squat again. So sit back and push. Again, sit back, lift, rotation. So it's down and up. That's good. So let me know how you're doing, how you're feeling. Good. One more, then come back up. Last one. All cardio, fast feet, high knees, and then 1, 8, 7, 6, 5. Fast feet, 1, 8 high, 1. Fast feet, that's it. High again, 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, and quick. Again, come on, lift. Now wide. Woo. One more. High knees. Come on, knock it out. Fast feet. And you're there. Woo. Good one. Press play. Do the whole workout all over again. Leave me a comment. And I'll see you on tomorrow's